Are you sick and tired of being overworked and underpaid? Are you sick and tired of living paycheck to paycheck and having to look at your bank account before you buy things? I was. That's why I started my online business last year. If you're new here, my name is Dan. I'm from Michigan. I used to be a monk. That's why I'm called the seven figure monk. And I help people make money online in the digital marketing space. So, long story short, I was just sick and tired of being overworked and underpaid. My company cut my pay in half. And I searched for ways to make money online for many years, and I failed miserably trying so many different things until I discovered this blueprint, and it shows you step by step how to make $900 more a day simply by promoting digital programs in the e-learning industry that you don't even have to create yourself and working just 2 hours around your schedule. Okay. So I've been able to make money with this program, right? Thousands of dollars so far by following this. Okay. So I'm going to break it down exactly what I've done to make thousands of dollars with this program. If you want to learn more at any time, just go to Seven Figure Monk. There's a link in the description. You can go there and learn more about this if you want to learn. Okay. So step number one, a product, right? You got to promote a product. So I purchased a program. Okay. This is a high demand program in the e-learning industry, which is $1 billion a day industry. Okay. So I purchased a program one time. That's what you want to promote. You want to promote something that's in high demand, that is selling like hotcakes. Our program is selling like hotcakes. People are buying these programs every single day. And our top selling program sells for 900. Okay. So you get one sale a month at 900. That's an extra 10K a year. You get five sales a month. That's an extra 50K a year. You get 12, so you get 10 sales a month. That's basically an extra 100K a year. Boom. Okay. And we're going to show you how to do all of this step by step inside of our community and inside of the training. I'm going to show you how to do this right now. This is exactly what you need to do. This is the process. Okay. Now, some will do it and some won't because everyone has free will. Like you have free will. You can choose to stay stuck at a job that you hate for the rest of your life, or you can choose to learn how to become an entrepreneur and build a business or build multiple businesses and build assets and create multiple streams of income. Both are a choice. Okay. So step number two, you got to automate your business if you want to make money in your sleep. So we give you a pre-built automated system. See, this is a business in a box. It's a turnkey, all-in-one business in a box, which means you don't have to create anything because everything's already created for you. The programs, the product, the automations, the training, the community, everything is already created. All you got to do is promote your business. Okay. Like you're promoting any business. Like if I'm selling hats, well, I got to promote my hats. I got to advertise my hats. Okay. So whatever business you're doing, you got to promote it. You got to advertise, right? So we teach you how to do everything step by step. And the cool thing is we have free strategies. So you don't have to waste your money on ads. You don't have to spend money on paid ads. You don't have to bother your friends and family, and you don't have to cold message people. Okay. You don't have to call people. You don't have to do any of that, right? Automations. So what happens is, like if you go to my website, you'll see if you go to my link, it takes you here. This is a capture page. Okay. So what we're doing is we're capturing people's emails. We're building our email list. The money's in the list. And then they go through our sales funnel. They watch videos and there's emails that are being sent out on autopilot. Like we give you 30 emails to start off with, and these emails are just following up with your leads for you. So you don't have to get on the phone with people. I will never get on the phone with a person again. I declare that. I will never do that again. Okay, so you never have to get on the phone with people and you never have to message people, right? This is attraction marketing. We teach you how to attract customers. So they go here, they put their email in, they go through here, and then they can purchase from you at your sales page at any time. They can go to your website and buy it from you at any time. Okay. And then step number three, you just need a way for people to discover your business. So after you get your system set up, which is a one-time setup, you make it once and it's working for you forever. So you set it up once, and then you just need a way for people to discover you. Okay, this is promoting, this is advertising, this is marketing, right? So how do we do that? Well, we teach you free strategies. We teach you how to market on social media because there's 5 billion people a day on social media, right? So you create three pieces of content a day. You post it to social media. Typically, we create videos, okay? So basically, all you have to do is post videos every day. You just got to master one thing, which is posting videos because you set up this system once and then you just got to master posting videos basically. Then you can also go live. See, if you post content and go live, it's going to help you grow your social media channel from scratch, which means you don't need followers. Because just by doing this, you can grow your social media from scratch. And then you can also post free ads, copy, paste, post. So let's say 30 minutes, 30 minutes, 30 minutes. That's an hour and a half. Now you can break this up however you want to do it. But you gotta always create three pieces of content. That's mandatory, okay? Because you got to build that presence, and that's going to put you into that's going to get you into momentum. Okay, it's a 3 hour work. It's a 2 hour work day, three pieces of content a day, as taught by our millionaire mentors. So you got to be coachable. If you want to be successful with this, you got to be coachable and you got to be consistent. You got to show up every day and post your content. Okay. So this is what we're doing is we're posting content, going live, posting free ads. We're driving traffic to our automations. Now, like I said, there's four ways to do that. You can do paid ads, free strategies, warm outreach, cold outreach. You can do all of them. It's up to you. But we teach the free strategies. Okay. We teach a proven 2 hour workday. This is proven to work. Okay. I've gotten results by following this, and we've created over 100 six-figure incrementers in our community, and two people have made over $1 million so far. So that's what we're doing. We're creating content, going live, we're posting ads, we're driving traffic to our capture page. We're building the email list, and once they're inside, they can buy from us at any time. Okay. That is the process. That's it. You can screenshot that. That's simple. It's that simple. That's how you can make thousands or millions of dollars over time by following this process. I don't care what business it is, this business or any other business. You're driving traffic to your capture page, you're building that email list, and then once they're inside of your automations, they can buy from you. And then, like, we also teach you how to build multiple streams of income. So you can promote multiple offers inside of your email list, and that's how you build residual income without having to do like stuff like MLM. Okay. So that's it. If you have any questions, let me know. Just drop it in the comments. If you want to learn more, just go here, Seven Figure Monk. Now I'm just going to show you what this business looks like. Okay. going to show you, I'm going to share my screen. Okay. So here's the automations that you get. Like I said, everything's already created for you. So you get these automations. This is the capture page. People go to your link, they're going to put their email in. Okay. Then you're building your email list. Then they're going to go through the sales funnel. They're going to watch these videos. These two videos are doing the selling for you, and they're answering 99% of people's questions for you. And then it takes them ultimately to the website, and ultimately it takes them here to the checkout page. And every time they purchase a program, you get paid instantly 100% profit. Okay. Through your payment gateway, through your payment processor like PayPal, Stripe, Square, like that. Okay. You see how it works? And then here's the website. And but like I said, you don't have to create any of this. So here's the four different digital products. Like people ask, like, what are the programs? What are you like? What is the product? What are the programs? It's these: Launchpad, Passive Daily Pay, Digital Mastery, and Legacy Builders. So what's the product? It's training, it's information, it's education. That's what the program is. And what makes ours better than any kind of like program out there or any course out there is that we have live interactive mentoring 2 to 3 times a week from 6 and 7 figure incrementers inside of our community. Most opportunities, they don't have live mentoring like this. Okay. They just don't. That's what makes us superior. And we earn 100% profit. On average, most businesses only earn 10 to 30% profit per sale. We earn 100% profit, and our top selling product sells for 900. So this is what the website looks like. You don't have to create this. It's already created for you. You become a licensed reseller. You go through some certification training. You become a licensed reseller. So you know the do's and the don'ts. There's success stories that people can watch. You just got to put your picture there in the website. Like we show you how to set this up. You can set this up in a day. Okay. Here's me hanging out with the creator of the program. She does mentoring in the community. Her name's Michelle. She created this program, guys. She's created over 100 six-figure incrementers with this program. So she's super smart. She's super kind, generous. I've met her like numerous times because we have live events. So I've hung out with her numerous times, guys. She's super cool. Okay. So this is for you if you want something that's simple, proven to work, step by step. This is not for you if you're not coachable, you're not willing to take action. Okay. And here's the website. You can check it out yourself. Just go here. Seven Figure Monk. The link's in the description. So people will go to your website and they'll purchase one of these, right? They'll purchase either the 100, the 300, or the 600. Plus there's payment plans available as well. And then every time they purchase, you get paid 100% profit. And then there's these bonuses you get. Okay, I'm just showing you a quick rundown. Okay. I have longer videos that I go in more depth, but I'm going to keep it simple today because it's pretty straightforward. Okay, here's the website. So how do you set up these pages? Because that's the first thing you need to do if you get started. You got to set up these pages. See, if you want to get started with this, you just have to there's two things you need to purchase. Yes, an investment is required. This is an investment in yourself. This is an investment in your future. This is an asset. See, assets have the potential to make you more money. That's what an asset is. So if you want to be wealthy, if you want to be rich, you got to accumulate assets. You got to build your asset column. Okay. So this is a business. This is a business has the potential to make you more money, which makes it an asset. Okay. For me, it's an asset. I invested one time. I purchased the $900 program. Okay. And I've made thousands of dollars, right? There's people who made over $1 million, guys. So this Erin, she's in our community. She's made over $1 million. That means she invested one time $900 and she made over $1 million, guys. That's the kind of return on it. Look, that's an ROI, return on investment. That's insane. So I'm just telling you, that's the potential of this business, guys. Now, I'm not saying you're going to make money overnight. There's no income like guarantees, okay, with anything. There's no guarantees with anything. But do you have the potential to make it over time? Yes, of course you do, because I've seen it happen. All right. So if you want to get started with the program, you purchase one of the programs, then you have the resale rights to it. And so there's two things you buy. You buy one of the programs, there's four different programs, and then you pay 39 for your website. Okay. If you started a lower program, you can always upgrade later to the higher program. You just got to pay the price difference. So after you purchase the program, you're going to get access to the program inside of here. So here's all your products, and here's all the products. Okay. And one of the first things you got to do, you just got to go here. You go through the inside of your program and you go to your automated Freedom Machine website setup. You got to set up your website. Okay. You just go through the steps, you follow the steps. It's really easy. It took me like a few hours to set up. Okay. And then it's going to look like this. Once you're finished, you're going to have this. Okay. You set that up. If you don't want to set it up yourself, we have Tech Done For You services. They will set it up for you. Okay. They will set it up for you if you don't want to set it up yourself. Right. So that's there too. And then after you set it up, we teach you how to get your first sale in 7 days. So you go here, you watch this training. It shows you how to get your first sale. It's a launch kit for your online business. And then after that, you just go through the rest of the trainings. All the trainings are there to help you attract customers faster so you can make more money faster, right? All the trainings are just really to help you with your mindset and your strategy to help you attract more customers and build multiple streams of income, all kinds of stuff like that. Marketing, social media training, branding your business. Okay, this is the product, these video modules. You watch the video modules, the trainings. That's the product, the information, the training, the education. Okay, now let's go into our community. Let me know if you have any questions. Just drop it in the comments. And at the top, you can access the community. So this is the fun part. Here's our community, guys. So are people making money by reselling these programs? Are people actually making money? Well, yes, they are. Because I know, because I've been in this program for a year, guys. I've been in since the, excuse me, since the beginning. But just to show you some real-time proof. Okay, look, Tev, she made 300 bucks. I know Tev. I met her at one of the live events. So, yeah. So Tev, she made 300 bucks. 300 came in while getting my kids ready for bed. I used to make around $158 a day in my last job, working 9 to 10 hours a day. Yeah, guys, that's crazy, right? Even that's, I mean, it's decent, but not really. Right? Jobs mean overworked and underpaid, guys. Overworked and underpaid. Sabina, okay, she made $1,000. She's from South Africa, okay, because this is a global business, guys. You can do this from anywhere. You can get customers from anywhere, and it pays out in, USD, American dollars, okay? Boom. So that's, yeah, there you go. Just to show you a couple wins. We have 27,000 pages of wins, okay? So I could keep going all day if I wanted to. But here in a classroom, we have more trainings. Okay. More trainings in our classroom, mindset training, social media training, all that stuff. Okay. We have these daily millionaire mentorings. Okay. They're helping you make 30K in 90 days. Daily millionaire mentoring training. It's like 2 to 5 minutes. You watch these trainings every day, helps you with your mindset and your strategy. Then we have live mentoring from 6 and 7 figure income earners. So you just go inside of the calendar. You see when the next live call is. Okay. It's going to be next month because next month is coming. It's creeping. Where's June? Let's go to June. Okay, yeah, there we go. The trainings, live mentoring from 6 and 7 figure incrementers. Okay, that's what's happening. Okay. Yep, that's the community, and that's it. So, like I said, all you got to do if you want to get started with this program, if you want to learn more, just go down to my link and you can learn more about this. Okay. And once you like, all you got to do is set up your business and then you start promoting your business by posting ads and by posting content. Okay. That's what we teach. Post videos, post content, post free ads, go live. That's how we attract customers. Okay. So let me just show you like my YouTube channel so you can see how I post content, get some ideas, right? So here's my YouTube channel. I do like videos that are over 10 minutes. These are long form videos. So I just see all my long form videos. I use stuff like Canva to create these little thumbnails, okay? And all the tools that I use to build my business, I put in the description, right? So here's long form videos. Here's me going live. It's all recorded. YouTube saves your lives, which is cool. Short form videos. Now, most people they just focus on short form videos, guys. Just videos like a minute or less. These videos take like 5 to 10 minutes to create and post. I know because I've been doing this for a year. It takes me about 5 to 10 minutes to create and post a video. Okay. Here's a faceless video. So if you don't want to show your face, you can do faceless. Here's a talking video. Okay. We're going to teach you how to market. Okay. We're going to teach you how to do a hook, how to grab people's attention. Okay. We're going to show you what to say in the body of your content. And then we're going to show you how to do a CTA, call to action. So at the end of my videos, I'll say comment ready if you want to learn more. Okay. Here's another faceless video. I do all kinds of stuff, guys, because I like to learn, right? Learning, the more you learn, the more you earn. So if I learn how to do this stuff, I can teach people how to do it too. Here's a B-roll video, guys, with just a text overlay with some trending audio. These are very easy to make. You can do B-roll videos of yourself, or you can do B-roll videos of scenery and just put words on the screen speaking to your perfect customer. We teach you how to speak to your perfect customer. Okay. So all my content is out there speaking to my perfect customer, right? So that's it, guys. I just post videos every day. That's basically all you have to do. You just need Wi-Fi, your phone, 2 hours a day. And you just have to post videos on social media to attract customers. And we're going to teach you everything, how to do everything step by step. And then you have the potential to make $900 or more in a day simply by posting videos. It's a 2 hour workday, right? Like every day I create 3 pieces of content. I go live and I respond to my messages. I respond to my emails and I go through some training. That's all you got to do to run a business. It's never been easier. And if you want to be wealthy, you have to be a business owner. Look at the history of the world. The wealthiest people are the business owners. They're not the employees. Okay. The system is broken. The system was created to make you broke. Okay. The system was created to create workers, employees. And if you're an employee, it means you're overworked and underpaid. Okay. Let's be real. Most employees are just overworked and underpaid. People are getting one, two, three, four, five jobs just to survive. But the smart thing to do is become an entrepreneur. Learn how to do it. With this, it's the easiest way to do it, guys. It's a business in a box. You just need Wi-Fi, your phone, 2 hours a day. Get your business set up in one day and then start posting content. Okay, so easy. It's really simple. Simple, but you got to master it. That mastery, okay, that happens over time. Everything, like whenever you want to master something, it happens over time. Everyone has a different learning curve. Like for me or you, like everyone's learning curve is different. Some people make money super fast. Other people that takes a little longer because the learning curve is different, right? That's all. So if you have questions, let me know. If you want to learn more, just go here, sevenfiguremonk.com. Check it out. And yeah, I'm here to help you. I'm here to help you become successful. So if you get started with this business, then just like after you get started, we can jump on a Zoom call. Like I don't call people, there's no calls before. Like we don't teach calling, so you don't have to call people. But if you want to get started, like if you want to jump on a strategy call after you get started, after you purchase a program, that's cool with me. We can jump on a strategy call after you purchase a program, okay? So you can have clarity to know exactly what you need to do to be successful, right? I wish I would have had that when I started, but I never did. But you can have that. So yeah, let's go. Let's do it. If you're ready to change your life, then just go to here, Some Figure Monk. Go to the link in my bio and learn more. I'll see you on the next video. Thank you for watching. I appreciate it, and God bless.